All right, guys, let's get into number 26. A circle in the xy plane is centered at -1, 1. A line T is tangent to this circle at points 5, -4. So here's line T. Which of the following points also lies on line T? So, I mean, look, how can we do this? Obviously, if you don't know how to do this, you can probably do some level of guesstimating from the answer choices. Like, for example, 4, 7, that would be here and then up here. That's nowhere close to line T, right? So you can kind of do some of that. I mean, that's not the greatest way to do it, but of course you can do that, right? How do we actually do this? Well, when you draw a line tangent to a circle, it's perpendicular to a radius drawn to that same point. So we could find the slope of this line, and then we could get the slope of this line, right? So let's do that slope. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So end up with -5 over 6. So then the slope would be 6 over 5. Right, so this here has a slope of 6 over 5. So then we use y equals 6 over 5x plus b. And then we can plug in this tangent point. So -4 equals 6 over 5 times 5 plus b. So then we'd get -4 equals 6 plus b. So -6. So b equals -10. So then the equation ends up being y equals 6/5 x plus 10. And then we could just plug in these points to see which one is correct. So the answer choice is going to be choice C. 6/5 times 10 would be 12. 12 minus 10 is 2, right? So the answer choice C is correct. Now here, this is really important. Make sure that you know the rules here. You need to use perpendicular slopes, and you need to know that when a tangent line is drawn to a circle, it's perpendicular to the radius. So these are all concepts that you need to remember. Why is the SAT hard, right? It combines conceptual things like this with skill and ability, right? So you need to know both to get these answers right at the end of the test.